We're entering an inflection point for so many reasons. But I did like the point you brought up in terms of there is a rich amount of data being generated here right now, right? That may be yet another reason why biopharma can wake up and say, hey, beyond just supporting, biomarker and companion diagnostics of our programs, there may be some actual rich data for us to mine, similar to what we saw in the genomic revolution. So talk to us a little bit about how you see kind of these parallel paths, right? I mean, we often do see these newer biomarker paradigms kind of move forward, both in the life science research and biopharma world, and similarly, maybe lagging in the clinical world. Where are we with digital pathology? Can we learn things from how things are adopted in the biopharma world? Are we expecting things to kind of catch up on the clinical realm? What are you thinking about all of that?
Yeah, it's a very interesting journey, and the way that digital pathology adoption has happened, the pattern of adoption across these subsegments of biopharma, early stage discovery, clinical development, commercial, and to the diagnostic space tells a lot about what value is being created and what value is being perceived by both the life sciences and the diagnostics space. The first set of adoption that we saw for digital pathology, beyond the handful of academic medical centers that are always willing to try new things, was in biopharma. And in particular, it was in early discovery. The reason that we saw digital pathology adoption happen there first was largely because there's a willingness to invest in new technology so long as it surfaces new information, new biological signal. And pathology data is nothing but biological signal. It's probably the most direct representation, physical representation of any disease for which there's a structural or three-dimensional element to how you describe its physiology and how it affects the human body.